I'd always been in a job where I was moving about a lot, but as time went on, I had moved on and my job was simply sitting in front of a computer, very sedentary, realised I was stiff, realised I had a sore back, sore neck, I'd lost my balance and everything. I decided to come up here and I've never looked back.
I started 2 years ago having suffered a stroke. I was struggling to walk, no upper body strength at all on my right side, either my arm and my lower side with the leg. So I was given a longer induction and tried lots of different gym equipment. During that process came up with a small plan for me to work out.
I go to a wide range of classes, stretch and relax, and I go to some of the aerobics classes as well. Came to the escape pain hip and knee class, which I got benefit from because it was not only doing some exercises definitely tailored for you as an individual, but it was the education you got, because I was beginning to find out that my problems weren't what I thought they were. I enjoyed it so much, got so much benefit. My pain was now practically non-existent.
I built up from the water aerobics to start actually going swimming, and then built that up to the point where I'm sort of swimming 6-7 days a week now. My balance for a start, I can stand up, I don't need a stick, I don't use a brace now. I feel more positive about myself coming out, don't get as tired with the fatigue that comes with stroke. I'm able to do just about everything most people without a stroke can do.
I think I thought I'd lost my social life because I had no workmates. Spoke to people who'd been in exactly the same predicament as me. It's just made me feel younger again. I'm definitely healthier again. My confidence has come back again. I now know I can be pain-free practically all the time. It's been a revelation.